boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Charlie on a Friday. That's what I get. Very suitable here, Charlie on a Friday, of course. So let's start this one up. We had a capo set here on the first fret. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. So let's start to go over the chords. We have first the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be F. That's a bar chord. So you place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. The third chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Yeah, so it goes in that order: A minor, F, C, and G. Let's look at the strumming pattern. We'll use that through the entire song as well. So A minor is the first chord, grab that one. And then you will play down, down, up, down. Right? So down, down, up, down. Then you shift to F, play one round there as well. C and G, one round as well there, so C, G. That is how it goes, my friends. Doesn't have to be harder than that. Great song from Charlie on a Friday. That's what I get. Thank you for watching and play tuned.